in February before COVID-19, before the world shut down, he got a brand new kidney. And we were all wearing masks before that because of him. And everything was good. We took off the mask. Everything was great. And I was doing the bioscanner and the bio stuff. And we went on vacation. We came back. Everything was great. And our little niece, who didn't show any responses of COVID or anything, came over and gave us COVID. He got it, and he got really, really sick. We thought he was he couldn't breathe, he couldn't go because he's on immune suppressants from the kidney. And
Which was the year before.
Was the year before. So the next year, I called Celine. I said, Celine, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm scanning him. I see he's got COVID and he can't breathe. He can't pick up his head. Pneumonia, everything. And we worked through the night after night. I would call her in 3 a.m. and she would answer. Who does that? She would answer. She answered, and we blew it out of him. The only reason he is standing here today is because of her.
Us.
Teaching me how to do it, and her helping all the way. All of the healing modalities that she's taught me is the only reason my husband is here today, because we took him to Cedars-Sinai to check in the hospital. You know, his fever got to 103, and we took him to the hospital. Cedars-Sinai is best in the world. Anyway, we took him to the hospital, and they took all his hydrochloroquine, they took all his vitamin C, they took all his vitamins away, and they said they're going to put him on this, and we're like, and he couldn't even breathe. But anyway, as soon as we realized his kidney transplant was stable and working perfect, I'm like, get out of there. I can do better at home. And he got out of there. Because we want to make sure the kidney was okay by their terms and my terms too. I needed to know that. And as soon as we got him home, he was flatlining.
Well, I could barely walk around the bed
he could barely
without
breathe.
taking a breath. I was that bad. I mean, I took a walk 5 steps. I couldn't even breathe. And I couldn't even breathe.
What I do know about COVID, though, that it's a transformer. Everything I said, it would be COVID 1 minute, and then it would be adenovirus the next minute. It would be rhinovirus the next minute. It hides and saves, so you can kill one thing, and then it comes back up again. It's a transformer, and nobody knows this, but I do. That's why it's so dangerous. Mm-hmm. And that's why you have to stay super healthy. Vitamin C, and you need her. You need her. We all need her.
Yeah.